Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you know by the title, this is going to be another DIY video. It consists some gifting ideas for Valentine's. Now you can gift it solo like this as well. Otherwise, you can incorporate these small gifts and combine it with other gifts and then give it to your beloved or partner, however you want to do it. These are some generic ideas, so if you're not looking for Valentine's and if this is something else, you can consider this as a gifting option. Basically point ye hai. And before this, I've made a lot of videos on gifting and DIYs and craft and all that, so everything will be in the I button. In today's video, I'm just going to be using some photographs and tell you how you can create some DIYs bus photographs use karke. So it's not something too expensive, it's just a couple of ideas around how you can use photographs in multiple ways. Without wasting more time, let's just get right into the video.
For the mini album, I printed out this painting and pasted on the cardboard. This is just the cover of the album. Here you can also use a pattern paper, or you can leave it blank like that also. You can personalize it however you want to. Next step is to fold it from the middle part. To make it look more clean and neat, I pasted this white paper. This is completely optional, but I would suggest you to do that because your cardboard तो बहुत ही बकवास लग रहा है and you need to make it look presentable. So use the white sheet, guys. I'm using this shape to make the pages of the album as well. I used black papers, but if you want, you can use white or colorful sheets as well for this. Lastly, you have to attach these pages to the album, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make. Now the only thing left here is to decorate this album. अब तुम इसको ऐसे खाली भी दे सकते हो if you want to gift it to someone so that they can fill in their memories. Go ahead and do that. But I think it would be nice if you could add some photographs. It's not necessary that you use your and your partner's photographs only. You can use a photograph of a place that you eat at, kind of like a memory of you guys together. I mean, it's your relationship. Come on, guys, you know better. So you do what you want to do. There are endless ways to personalize this, and I also use these stickers. I just downloaded these from Pinterest and then I printed it, and I really love how this turned out, man. I mean, look how cute this looks, and I really want to make this for myself as well, most probably with white paper so I can paint on it. For this next DIY, you'll need a puzzle pattern sheet जो कि आराम से Google पे मिल जाएगी. Then you have to go to canva.com and click on create a design. You can select the size there and then drag the image and resize it. And you have to do the same thing with the image that you're going to use. And then दोनों को download करो, get a printout. You have to paste it on a cardboard. कार्डबोर्ड के एक साइड पे अपनी फोटोग्राफ चिपकानी है एंड कार्डबोर्ड के दूसरे साइड पे पजल पैटर्न शीट. Paste everything nicely and let it dry completely and then start cutting out the puzzle pieces. You won't believe how cool this looks, and it's super easy to make. Just to give it a little more finished look, I used a black marker. इसके जो sides है ना puzzle के, because वहाँ पे white part दिखेगा. So this is completely optional, but I think it does make a slight difference. So for gifting this, you can use a box, fill it with candies or flowers or whatever you like. This is just a representation, and again you can personalize it however you want to. For this DIY, I am using pictures of me and my sister, and we are going to make a film reel for this. And you can use something round. I'm using this black chart paper as well for making the reel so that I don't have to paint over white. ये दो parts मैंने लिया है, इन दोनों को I'm going to stick together so it's a thick base and it's not flimsy. Next up, I'm just pasting these photographs. I wanted a space between them, so I made a cutout. And I am using black paper. You can definitely go for white, and उसके ऊपर तुम black sketch pen से ये film का pattern बना सकते हो. But I used black paper, and then I made some small square pieces from white paper and I pasted it ताकि ये film pattern जैसा लगे. Next up, I'm just taking a white piece of paper to make the cylindrical shape जिससे हमारी actual reel बनेगी. To make it easier, I took the black paper and उस पे थोड़े से cuts बना दिए and I'm pasting it on the white sheet so that when we make a cylindrical shape, जो दोनों circle sides हैं वो easily चिपक जाए इसके साथ. Now carefully you have to stick the piece of paper where you have all the photographs. You have to be a little patient with this process because यहाँ पे you might have to hold it for a minute so that it sticks nicely and dries completely. To make it look like an actual film reel, I made some circles on a white piece of paper and I'm going to stick it on both of the sides. Now you have to paste both of the circles on the cylindrical part so that it completes the process. Like I said, just be patient with this and it's very easy to make. अगर तुम आराम से इसको बनाओगे ना, बहुत आसानी से बन जाएगा. Now you have to roll it like a reel and that's it guys. Additionally तुम यहाँ पे एक ribbon भी attach कर सकते हो like I'm doing it so that it's easier to open it up and pull it up like that. And यहाँ पे I just wrote pull on a piece of paper and I pasted it like you can see on the screen. Let me know if you guys think it's easy to make or not. For this you can get the cubes made from a local carpenter or you can buy it on Amazon as well. You can also make these paper cubes and use them instead of the wooden ones. Apart from that, if you are using 1-inch cubes, you'll need 8 photos of 2 by 2 inches and 2 photos of 2 by 4 inches. I've printed a little bigger than the actual size just so I can place it properly and I have a margin to work with. You need to take 4 cubes and stick your first photograph. Be patient and careful with this. Take your time and let it dry completely. And lastly, just trim out the extra part. Now you have to place the cubes vertically and then add 2 cubes on the photo like I'm showing here. Hold it there, let it dry and then trim the extra part. I'll be pasting the third photo on this side, similar to the way that we pasted the first one. Following the same technique and add another cube, hold it there till the Fevicol dries. The same thing has to be repeated for all the photographs. So we're done with 3. Fourth one is the one that we're going to paste on the opposite side of the first picture. You have to place the last cube in. By opposite I mean at the bottom part, and you have a perfect cube now. If you take the second photograph we pasted as the top, then उसके bottom part पे ये वाली photo चिपकानी है. That's it, and now we have to start making the cuts. You can pause the video and follow what I'm doing so that you don't accidentally cut something that you're not supposed to. First cut has to be made like this in the middle part. Now you have to cut the attached front and the back side of the top photo, and you have to make a T shape and an inverted T shape. I will make sure to link one or two more tutorials in detail, because if I do that in this video काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी, and you can go check it out अगर तुम actually बना रहे हो ये बैठकर. Once you have made the cuts on top, front and back, we'll now move to the side parts. On the sides we have to just make horizontal cuts following this line, and same sides पे flip करके horizontally cut करना है. Now for the bottom part, that's the flipped side of the first photograph that we pasted. Here you have to make a plus and cut vertically and horizontally like I'm showing you. Please make sure your hands are clean while you're doing this. I messed it up a lot because my हाथ में फेविकॉल लगा हुआ था and वो चिपक गया and it just got fucking ruined. Now you have this long space where you need to paste the 2x4 long picture. And यहाँ पे cut a full horizontal and vertical line like I'm showing you guys. After which it will open up like this. Paste the second photo here, and this time you need to cut it like 3 vertical lines and 1 horizontal line like you make in the letter H. After which you're going to open it from the middle and you will see another blank space. Now you have to add another square photograph here, and after pasting that photo, when you flip it to the other side, you have to paste your last square picture here. Now for the second last photo, that one needs to be cut horizontally, and last वाली को plus के shape में cut करना है. Make a vertical and an horizontal cut. I think I'm kind of happy with how it looks.
Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. If you want to leave any feedback, comment section में जाओ और लिख डालो. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.
Ever since the day that you went away.